Koke Pachoy! Happy New Year!
Happy Chinese New Year! Mommy, we keep.
We are the BYRAMS family! Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel! And today is my birthday. It's the 6th of February. And another ish. Nadagdagan na naman ang edad ko. Pero it should be fine. I'm still young at heart. And my friends gonna come over to have their breakfast. My Filipino friends. So I cook some. This is Aiden. Ready for his school. So my friends gonna come over after they drop all their children. Around maybe 9:30. So I'm getting ready now. I cook just breakfast, typical Filipino breakfast. Not much because I'm not sure if they're gonna come, all of them. So I'm gonna show you guys what did I make.
Now, why does something smell?
The general way. So I just fried the fish. That's it. Ayan yung sauce niya, guys. Toyo, soy sauce, chili, and onion. And this is fried aubergine.
Right, so that's what you're eating your country for breakfast?
Yeah. And this is the scrambled egg. And this is supposed to be tocino, but I made it like, this is made of bacon. I just put some honey and garlic and then pepper. And this is from last night. This is bamboo shoot. And then I'm gonna cook the rice later. Ayun guys, so yan lang yung handa ko. And then there's a small like sweet for the coffee, some small things. And magluluto ako ng rice later. Aiden, it's gonna cost I'm just gonna cook rice a little bit later, and then coffee, and wait for them to come. So nothing much to do. And I think in the night time we're gonna have a dinner out, but we're not too sure. We will see. And that's it, guys. We'll see you later. Bye.
Wala na sa ilapit ng mic.
Cheers. Cheers.
Ang cute.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ate Gisela. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip.
Hooray! One more hip hip.
Hip hip. Hooray.
Make a wish na, wag mo nang i-blow. Wish ka na lang. Yung legit na natin mo yan.
Uling-uling, okay lang. Ayun na nga guys, naka-away na yung mga friends ko, and Aiden is already here as well at home. Yeah. And now we are getting prepared because we're having a dinner outside. We're gonna eat in a Lebanese restaurant. I booked it. Nag-book ako sa Lebanese restaurant. But I don't know if kung hindi sasama yung hipag at bayo ko, baka sabi ko sa asawa ko, David, mag pizza takeaway na lang tayo, kasi parang gusto ko na lang mag-inom at mag-pizza sa bahay. Saka nakabili na rin kami ng cake. Binila ko ni Daddy ng cake, and Artin is here. Artin is there. He already had a shower and he is so sleepy. Artin and Aiden are gonna wear their same color tracksuit. And then me and Daddy maybe just a normal one. That's it. And wala lang. So I booked the restaurant for 8:30. But let's see kung makakaano kami. 6 o'clock pa naman. So we still have 2 hours to prepare. Daddy and Aiden is having a shower now, and then me is next. put a bit of makeup, blah 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 things. And that's it. So we'll just keep you posted and updates. Very sleepy boy, sleepy boy. Saka yung mga friends ko nagbigay ng gift, salamat po yung pumunta dito. Thank you very much. I was touched because it's been long time before na makita ko sila uli. Kasi lagi tayo nagwo-work. We're working hard because cost of living sa England is hindi na biro. Sobrang mahal na, nagtaasan na lahat. So, kailangan mag-work hard. Ayun lang, guys. So, I'll keep you posted. Ayun na, guys. We are ready. Ayun na. Kids are wearing the clothes, same clothes, like that. They have camouflage. And me, I'm wearing this clothes, this dress. This is coming from Next. Long time na to, guys. Oh, diba? Ito ko sa inyo. Ayan. Matagal na to, parang mga 2-3 years ago pa.
And guys, I made this car. And even has a little chair. If the chair by itself
Look,
is like
you are
this,
talking
but
without your head.
I did detail to it.
Ayan, guys. Pakita ko ba na anak yung damit ko?
Okay.
So, this is my clothes. I don't know if you can see because it's a bit dark. And I'm wearing boots. Show me, anak, sandali.
Cameraman.
So, mommy is wearing this one. This dress is, I think, 2-3 years ago, or Aiden is still baby. This is from Next. Yan, and boots. And Artin is wearing this one. And Aiden gonna show. What Aiden gonna show?
This is my car, and I made these in the custom chair. By itself, the chair looks like this, but I added detail.
Okay, that's good.
Guys, it's us again.
We are ready to go. We're gonna pick Amo and Zanamo. Going to the restaurant.
Artin, say hello to them.
We'll take you there, guys. Oh my God, these children. When you have 2 children, you can't have a nice. No, not really. It's just, it's a little bit difficult, especially with still young children. So anyway, guys, we're gonna take you there. See you.
Everybody's sick, man. Even Zohra is sick, I think.
Yeah, I can see.
Why this?
Because cold.
And you have just brand with this onion, you know? They call those,
Cut the onion, open the onion.
yeah. Why? Diesel is stronger? Because big engine, yes. 3.5 liters. But diesel, why you don't like this Japanese car? They are economical.
Like people who don't like Android, they like only iPhone. And
It's stuck to my head.
why you getting stuck? It's okay, my chicken is still gonna take that.
I did. Stop, man. Baba, I'm recording it. Yes. Yeah, stop. Ito mas kambal. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. All of us. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Ayun na guys, we are home! So did you enjoy?
Yes.
Ha? Did you enjoy? Punasan ko nga lang yung camera kasi parang medyo sebo-sebo po yung camera. So punasan natin.
Chamra after chamra. Ready?
So, I'm gonna open the gift now from my friends. Gonna open the gift now. We're gonna open the gift, guys. Thank you po. Ayun, guys. Stop the music, please. Yan, guys. Nandito na kami sa bahay. So, I'm gonna open our gift. So, this one is coming from my sister-in-law and brother-in-law. So, as you can see, I think na-upload na video na to. They give me a perfume. Thank you, as always. Thank you very much. And this is for Aiden, for Tita Telma, for George, Uncle Chris, and Samantha. Come here, Aiden.
Well, I open it.
Yeah, of course, show them. Okay, show them first.
You can see this Minnie Mouse.
Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse.
Oh, I didn't see that.
Come sit down here because your head is... okay, open it. And, yeah, that's for you, Artin. Oh!
Mommy, after can I wear it, Mommy, after?
Let's see if this is the right size. So, thank you po. Look, trouser. And, thank you. That's for the Christmas because ang tagal namin din nakita. So, thank you very much po. This is 9 to 10.
I think it's a bit too big.
Yeah, it's still big. So, and this is for Artin. Can we open, Artin? Come. Come. Can we open? What is this? Oh my God! Oh my God! Look, they're safe. I like safe. Tita Telma knows me best. Look. She knows me because she know. Alam niya na gusto ko rin yung terno-terno. Oh, look. Look, Artin, Aiden. Look, so sweet. Thank you po. Oh, look. Oh, thank you. And this one for Tita Gemma. Thank you po. Thank you very much. That's for Daddy and me. Thank you po. And this is for me. From Sam George. Happy birthday! Oh my God. Thank you po, means you respect. Oh, look at this. Zara. Ang tanong kasya kaya? Sa laki ng... Thank you po. Sukatin natin. Wow!
Seems like you buy for me.
Thank you very much. What size? Small. So small siya. Baka sa menso. Oh, look at that. Tama-tama lang. Salamat po. Thank you. Salamat po. Thank you. Another year have passed. Tumanda na naman tayo, but we are blessed and grateful. Thank you po. Okay, we have to say goodbye now, guys, because it's already 10:30 in the night time, and these children needs to go sleep because we have a school tomorrow. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Peace out for now. Say thank you. See you later.
Both my clothes.
Thank you very much po. Bye-bye. See you.